Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, we're going to show you how to fix Telegram not sending code. So first, open up your phone settings, scroll down and find your apps. So here, tap on apps. Once you tap on this, tap on manage apps or apps management. Once you tap on that, just need to wait for a few seconds here. And then you just need to tap on the search box at the top and we should type right here Telegram and tap on that app. And then tap on this storage at the top. From here, tap on this clear data at the bottom and clear cache. Once you've done right here, go back and then go to permissions. Just need to allow all the app permissions right here. And then once you've allowed all the permissions on your Telegram, you just need to go back and reopen your Telegram app and see it should be fixed the issue on your Telegram not sending code. And that's how you basically fix Telegram not sending code. So if you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.